Hello guys, welcome to CAD CAM PDF. In today's tutorial is based on Mastercam mill. So in this tutorial we're gonna do create 2D geometry and then we're gonna do machining operations of a mill like facing using end mill, circle mill and then spot drill like operations. So guys, let's get started. Before getting started, I wanna say if you found this video useful, please do like and comment and don't forget to share with your friends, and also please do subscribe my YouTube channel CAD CAM PDF. So let's get started. To first of all, this gonna be in inches. So for right now you can see my dimensions are in metric. To change it, we're gonna go to file, then configuration. Then over here it says inches, but over here it says metric. We're gonna change it to inches. Click OK, and then guys, you're gonna see it says inches. Now we're gonna start our tutorial. So for first, I'm gonna we're gonna make 2D drawing, so which gonna be on wireframe. Then click on rectangle. Then create height and width, and then say anchor to center. Then you can click over here and then click on OK, and this is a rectangle 5 by 5. So next step we're gonna do fillets. Click on fillet identities, and then its fillets is of 0.75, so it's 0.75 here. Okay, click over here, then here, same on all four sides, then okay. After that we're gonna draw a circle at the center. So click on diameter, gonna be 2 diameter, 2 inches. So lock the diameter and click on center, and then click on OK, and then we're gonna create another 4 small circles. Click over here, then unlock the diameter, and diameter next is 0.5. Then again press lock it. Then for the places we're gonna click over here, auto cursor fast point. Then we're gonna add our XY places for the small circles. These are 1.6 comma 1.6, enter, and then click again here 1.6 comma minus 1.6, enter, and then same 1.6, sorry, this time minus 1.6 comma 1.6, enter, and then last one minus 1.6 minus 1.6, enter. So these all are, so our 2D geometry is ready. So now we're gonna go on machine to set up a stock. Then click on machine bar. Then after that we're gonna go to mill. We're gonna do default. Then click over expand the properties menus. Then you're gonna go to tool settings. Enter our program number 1. Assign tool number sequentially. Warm up duplicate numbers. And then this gonna be from tool. Feed calculation is gonna be from tool. So click on next step is on stock setup. Then click on all 8 entities. You're gonna see this one. This is the dimension of our stock, so 5 by 5, and we're gonna set up its height gonna be around 3.2 point 2 we left more because we're gonna do facing on top of it, which gonna be 0.2 thou. So and, and we're gonna set up our origins where x y gonna be our center and z also gonna be here at point 2. Or then we're gonna click on OK. Then you can see our stock is a bit point 2 higher than our actual 2D drawing. We can see. And now click on top, back, and now let's get started. First operation we're gonna do facing. So we gonna click over here on facing, and then we're gonna select our chain, which gonna be our created 2D drawing. So then click on OK. Next step, we're gonna go to tool, then we're gonna filter tool. We're gonna select face mill. You can see it says face mill. Click OK, then press this one, and then to check the size of face mill, we're gonna use 2-inch face mill over here. So we're gonna click on 2-inch face mill, click OK, and we're gonna comment over here facing top side, and then next go to cutting parameters. We're gonna go by zigzag, so it's gonna be like this way, and then click over here on moving between cups. It should be high speed loops for 180 degrees, so that it's gonna go like that way, and then 180 degree quickly, and then again back. Stop to leave on floors gonna be 0. We're gonna face completely point 2 from the top, and then depth cut. We don't need depth cuts, it's just only point 2 thou, so we're gonna skip it. Then go to linking parameters, click on clearance, make sure it's absolute. This one retract, again absolute. Feed plane, again absolute, absolute, and then absolute. Then top of the stock is 0, and we're gonna go by point 0. So click over here, done. Then you're gonna see our toolpath is created, and yeah, and to verify it, we're gonna go to select all operations, and then we're gonna click on verify selected operation. It's gonna open new tab. So yeah, here you're gonna see now. Let's get started. Show the stimulation. Yeah, and you can see the color change. It means it got some facing operation on the top of it. So this step is good. So minimize this window, and then click on top, and then our next step gonna be cutting these fillets out from outside. So it's gonna be counter, click over here. Oh, it's selected whole by mistake, but we need only one, so we're gonna click on single chain. Oh, first before, let's get cancel this, no, and then again click on counter, then click on single, then click on this fillet, this fillet, and select all 4 fillets one by one. Yeah, and then click on OK. For now this one you're gonna go to tool. We are gonna use 2 half-inch end mill to cutting the edges. So you're gonna go to filter, click on end mill, OK, then select tool library. So it's gonna filter, end mill, click. So half inch end mill, it's gonna be around one. Okay, so if it's like harder to find, but I already got it, so it's no problem. Click over here. So this one, okay, half inch flat mill. So we gonna write comment over here, removing removing material from outside. Then go to cut parameters. It's gonna be 2D. Stock leaves on wall 0 0. Just go to cut depth cut. We're gonna do by one pass, so we don't need to get by depth cut, so we disable it. Lead in, lead out. Yeah, we're gonna go this by 60% length, and then radius 60%, and then copy this one to entry and exit. So from next breakthrough, we don't need no multi passes. Just go to linking parameters, click on clearance, go to make sure all values are absolute. And now top of our stock is, we already taken point 2 from top, so top of our stock is 0, and we're gonna go depth by our, as per drawing, it's gonna be 3 inches down, so it's gonna be -3. So click OK. Now you're gonna see the four corners are getting shape of fillets. So to verify this, click on select all tool operations, then click on verify. Now you're gonna see first step is facing, another is, you see, but actually in this model we're gonna go only up to certain height. For that we're gonna change our depth. How, that's how we can do it. We're gonna again click to parameters, then just simply change our depth, so it's gonna be -1. Click OK, and now it's gonna show our toolpath. It's get dirty, it's need to be regenerate, so regenerate all dirty operations. Okay, just wait for a second, then we're gonna again go to click on machine group, select all operations, and then again click on verify. Now you're gonna see first is facing, and now just going up certain distance, which is 1 inches. Minimize this window, and now for our next step we're gonna go our pocket, which gonna be 0.75 down. For that we're gonna click on expand the gallery, then click on pocket. For that I'm gonna click on top of our view, just simply click in a circle, and then click on OK. Tool, select tool. For this one we're gonna use our tool half inch end mill, which we used already in outside. So for that I'm gonna select this tool, and then go to cutting parameters. At this time we're gonna go by certain depth because it's just plunging inside. So stock gonna be 0. We don't need to leave any stock on sides of wall, so it's gonna be climb standard, everything is okay. You can change it like, but this one is standard for this model. Go to roughing, so it's step over 50%, it's all good, need not to worry about that. Entry motion gonna be this one, is all good. XYZ, maximum radius, minimum radius, passes, finishing, lead in, lead out, you can put 60%, 60%, and then copy this. And depth cut, it's gonna be first rough cut, it's gonna be 0.25. Finish cut gonna be 0.05. Oh, actually it says number of finish cut, just gonna be one. Our Mastercam automatically counts how many steps down he need to go to get our last step of 0.05. For that, in every operations to make tool down or to keep tool down, we're gonna click over here and then go breakthrough. We don't need to break through because it's not a through pocket, just 0.75 down, and then click on linking parameters, go to clearance, absolute, as I said before, absolute, then top of our stock is 0.00 only, then depth is minus 0.75, 0.75 absolute, then click on OK, and now you're gonna see our pocket is having operation. Let's see, just wait for a second. And now it's done. To verify it, click on pocket and then go to verify. Now you're gonna see, just keep it slow so that you can get better view. So this 0.75 down. Minimize this window, click on top view, and now our next step is drilling these 4 holes. Before drilling, we're gonna do spot drill. So our next step gonna be click over here, click on drilling operation, and then we're gonna select our center of our circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and click OK. Now we're gonna go on tool, filter tool, select none, and then we're gonna go spot drill. Then click over here, select tool library. We're gonna go by quarter. It's not showing over here anyways. Go to tool, click over here. Oh, it's not showing. Okay, I see. Go to filter. It says over here. So we're gonna click on ignore it. And then go over here. Select library. Now it's gonna show 3/4 spot drill. Click over here. We're gonna comment spot spot drilling 4 holes. Then click on stock. We don't wanna use this cutting parameters. Just simply first gonna be 0. Make it all 0. This is on Mastercam 2019. In 2018 it was little bit different. Then go to linking parameters. It's just a sport drill, so it doesn't need much operations. Simply absolute, everything same. Depth gonna cut top of the stock is 0. Retract, we can retract at least 1 inch. To calculate the depth, click on depth calculator. Then our tool diameter is 0.75. So I'm gonna put it 0.5 plus 0.1. Okay, 0. Now our next step gonna be same, just now it's gonna be drill holes. We already did spot drill. Click on drill, select same, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Go to tool, filter tool, and select drill. We're gonna use zero point 0.5 to specify the tools. We can also go by here, like go to equal and then put 0.5, okay. Go to select library tool, so now you don't have to search a lot, just simply you can see clearly it says point half drill, so it's okay. Command drilling 4 holes, click okay. Oh, just if by chance you got click over here, how to go back is just simply press go to parameters again. Now absolute, absolute, absolute. This time stop is 0. This time depth. These whole are, I guess, let me see the drawing. These whole are 2 minus 2 inches down. So we wanna see our tool path is need to be. You wanna see our tool path is need to get regenerate. Click on regenerate dirty operations. Then click on machine group. Select this one. Go to verify. Let's get started. Make it a bit faster. Okay. To get better view, we can go to view, verify, sorry, then go on color loop. So now again, I'm gonna show you from the beginning. Go over first operation facing, and then siding and circular mill. Now you can see chamfer with spot drill. We also did chamfering. So that's how this whole model looks like. Go to isometric view and then just save it with, as a tutorial number 1. Go back to top. If you have Mastercam, I'm using free version of Mastercam, so I can't generate codes. This is Mastercam. If you guys have, you can generate. So that's all guys, I'm gonna say on last. If you found this video useful, please do like, and if you have any queries, please comment, and if you want to share with your friend, please share it with your friends, and do subscribe my YouTube channel CAD CAM PDF. I'm gonna be putting more videos similar to this on my YouTube channel named CAD CAM PDF. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video.